Delays are one of the main reasons Adobe beginner and intermediate producers end up with extremely muddy mixes. And not only that, I think many delay plugins, they live in 1990. So I decided to fix that. Let me show you how. Manta is my own plugin, and I think it will change how you use delays forever. Let me explain why. I replaced the feedback with tail. You could call it also the length. So basically saying the delay length should be this long. And then you decide, okay, how many delay hits will be there depending on the sync that we are choosing. You can either sync it to your BPM 1.8. Classic delay feedback draws a curve like this. You see the issue? What I wanted to do is something like this. Give me the control of the volume progression of my taps. Let's try this now. You hear that? And then give me the control of each delay tap. Let's say, I don't want this, I don't want this. Or maybe this too. You see, this is so straightforward approach for your delay, and it is so obvious in hindsight. And I think, if you ask me, going forward, every modern delay plugin should have this. I don't mind, copy it, right? And from there, I realized this is not enough. I can maybe even go division mode, right? And that will give me even further flexibility on however I want to divide this, right? Now I can do this. And then decide, well, let's do this then. It is so straightforward, it is so fast. I cannot describe how fun to use a delay like this. And the thing is, because I'm defining the tail end point, I can make it very loud like this and then just end. Right? Just like that. No more muddy delay tails. So easy and straightforward. And I realized, wait a second, I can do this in left and right channel in a ping-pong mode, right? That means you can now control each channel separately. Let's say I want to do this, and then you see each color here, right? Left, right channel, right? Let's divide maybe like this. And you can have control different curves on right and left, and this opens even more opportunities to do whatever you want with your delay. It is so gorgeous and it's so straightforward. I cannot believe that this is not done until now. Now, I'm extremely excited for all the things that this delay plugin has, but this was the core concept of this plugin. From there, my idea was, okay, go back. A delay plugin should also have the way adapt to your delay, which is, if you ask me, extremely important. Otherwise, you will end up this like one-dimensional delays that feel very flat. The halo is exactly that. It will add a depth and stereo into your signal. Let's turn these effects. Now, this is just the delay part, and then you have the whole delay suite, what I call it, bringing in a pre-EQ. Idea is simple. Pre-EQ just shaping the sound before it hits to your delay. And then you have the post effects. You have first an EQ, you turn it on here. So you shape the sound after it hits to your delay. And then you have the post-effect pedals. These pedals are only applied to your wet sound, so it only affects your delay. We can add a bit tube drive. Maybe a bit compression to the delay itself. Maybe a bit chorus, which should open up even more. Clipper if you want to. In this case, I think for this it will be sounding a bit too clipped. Gives a bit like edge of break up here. And then you have your utility controls, the gain, the width. On top of that, we have Ducker. I think this has to be, again, default for any modern delays, because then I have to use the tools like Soothe or Compressor to create this exact on every delay chain that I have. Main idea is super simple. We have the volume ducking, right? When the derived sound comes, we duck the delay so that we don't drown or mud the mix. It's so simple. Like, this should be default everywhere. And this is my own favorite. Sometimes you don't need to use this all the time. This is more niche, but sometimes you just want to duck the spectral. Sometimes you just want to cut out the main resonances of your sound from the wet signal. Maybe here. So basically, I'm ducking this area from the wet signal. And from there, I realize, wait, this is just a modern delay. I want my favorite delay types, right? So let's try different delay types so you can hear how actually they sound too.
I got all I want. I feel so good, I got all I want. Now they all watch, but I know.
Go hard all the way up into outer space. Go hard all the way up into outer space. My body wanna play, this is how we rave. Falling back in line, but I don't wanna leave your love behind. Maybe I'll wait.
And it comes with 100 different presets that you can just preset surf if you want to. Of course, I don't want you to buy this without trying. I also make 7 days free trial. I want especially that you take this plugin, put next to your favorite delay plugin and compare it. And the difference should be day and night right ahead. And if you feel like this is something that you can use, then only then buy it. And look how beautiful is this. Anyways, this is Manta.